guys, how are you doing? It's Dami from CJ Dropshipping. Today, I bring exciting news for newbies in dropshipping. CJDropshipping App has been launched on Shopify App Store.
Nice.
We have hundreds of new registers on CJ App every day. Many of them are dropshipping starters who are not familiar with dropshipping rules. Though we have full series of tutorial videos and articles of how CJ works, the most frequent inquiries we received from new registers and Shopify runners who plan to cooperate with us are: how to work with CJ? Why did I fail to list a product to my store? Well, first of all, you should register an account on CJ app, and next, verify from your registered email. Next, you should authorize your stores to CJ app, and then you can list new products or link existing products to your stores. After these steps, CJ team will automatically handle the orders in your stores, ship for you, and synchronize the tracking numbers with your Shopify stores. We have posted many tutorials of how to use CJ app, but seems still too complicated for starters. So, in order to let dropshippers work with CJ in a much easier way, after a year's work of CJ's IT department, CJ app has finally launched on Shopify App Store. You can find us on the Shopify admin page, App Store on the navigation bar on the left, add CJ app, and then you can work with CJ without registration and authorization. You can skip these two steps and list or link products to your stores directly. Isn't it too friendly to dropshipping starters? And if you can't find your products on CJ, you can post a sourcing request, and our team will source products for you, and then you can list it to your stores. Our services are more than sourcing and dropshipping. We provide all aspects of services for dropshipping, including warehouse, shipping, wholesale, quality inspection, video shooting, custom logo and packaging, and so on. You can enjoy a one-stop service here, and you can even have a private agent to answer your questions and solve your problems without any extra charge. And for those who have successfully worked with CJ already, you can also add CJ app. It will be linked to your account on CJ app automatically, and then you can find CJ in your Shopify app conveniently. And what matters is, we really need your positive reviews and 5-star ratings. It is very important to us. No matter what troubles you are meeting in your dropshipping business, we're always trying our best to be your strong backing, and your support will be great inspiration for us. We're so exhilarated to see any positive comment from you guys. You are the motivation for us to make CJ Dropshipping better for you, no matter our services or our videos. We really appreciate your support throughout the year. Let's make it better in 2020. Thanks so much for watching. Do not forget to subscribe us, and we are keep on updating videos about our new services and winning products recommendations. And if you have interested in any hot topics, or you are planning something about a new niche and want to know if it will work, leave a comment, let us know, and we are going to make videos at your request in the coming days. And do not forget to add CJ app to your Shopify App Store. Thanks so much again. Can't wait to see you at next videos. Bye.